Hi guys, this is Tung Nguyen and welcome to the beautiful Marina Bay Sands here in Singapore. I'm just enjoying the beautiful sunset behind me. And what I'm going to talk about today is about why people want to pay you and what's the difference between free content and paid content. Now, sometimes people see me putting out content on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and they're wondering, like, how do you make money, Tim? Like, don't you give all of your knowledge away for free? Like, can't anyone log into YouTube, Google your search results, read some of your articles, and just get everything in and do it themselves? And the answer is very simple: no, they can't. Because it requires a very high amount of intelligence and knowledge to know how to put all the puzzle pieces together. Yes, you can watch all of the videos, and I'm talking about a lot of the different strategies and tactics that help you to grow a business in 2020. I'm talking about all the different marketing strategies and tactics and business strategies and what the mindset is. But the thing comes together, putting those pieces together, like what works for you, what works in your industry best, what works in your country. Will what is working in the UK work in Singapore? Does it make sense to have something like that works in the English language? Does it work in Chinese? Does it work in French? Would LinkedIn be the perfect social media network for your industry, or should you focus on something else? I might have an advantage that you might not have. So I might have a bigger network than you. Something that works for me doesn't necessarily work for you. It has to be tailored and completely customized to your specific situation. People pay for structure. You can take all the knowledge in the world, you can probably Google it and try to figure it out by yourself. But someone who understands how all the pieces fit together is priceless. And that's why people want to pay money. You can, of course, be welcome to watch all of my YouTube videos, but if you want to have something that's really tailored and bespoke to you, someone like sitting down and putting the puzzle pieces together, finding the right strategies, identifying the right social media channels for you, identifying the right marketing strategy, and identifying the right paid networks to put in your advertising money, maybe including some offline strategies. It's all about having the mix and the perfect structure to make this work for you. The free content, people don't know how to put all the pieces together. This is where you come in, offering like a service or training program which is giving them more focus. They don't have to watch all 110 videos of yours and then identify which ones are the ones that apply for their business. They can come to you, they're getting like an A to Z bespoke step-by-step system that they can implement in their company, which is working in their industry, is tailored to their specific country, is tailored to their specific language. Their audience identifies just the right networks to make this work in their country, identifies all the different channels and marketing channels that just work in conjunction. Sometimes you're getting like economics of scale, combining two things that only give you like, let's say 10% boost, 10 doesn't equal 20. Sometimes this might add up to 50 because they work together and amplify each other. So just knowing this is the big difference between free and paid content. Now let me know in the comments, do you offer free content for your business? Do you have a paid strategy? What did you find is the most valuable aspect? Why people tell you they bought from you? Let me know in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get an email when I release my next video.